Welcome to the fifth tutorial of MakeCAD. In this video we are going to design a 2D reference plate. In previous video I have taught you the use of mirror command, and today I will show you the use of offset copy commands. So without wasting time, let's get started. Click on the workspace file that we have created. If you don't know how we created it, then you can follow the link mentioned in the description. Our file is ready now. First, we will create this hub part and then we create the rest of the figure. So, first we have to make a circle of dia 64 and another circle of dia 50. So, click on the circle arrow, select center and diameter, click here and type 50 from your keyboard, press enter. Again select here, click here and type 64 from your keyboard, press enter. Bring your cursor to your drawing, scroll up from your mouse for zoom in. Now we have to make an arc of distance 12.3. The half of this arc will be 6.15. So by using this formula S is equal to r theta, we have find that theta is equal to 11 degree. So we make a line that is horizontal and that makes an angle of 11 degree from the horizontal. So how we created this? Select line, click here, press F8 from your keyboard for a straight line as we have previously discussed, and click here. Now press escape, press F8 again to deactivate the ortho mode. Now again click on line, click here and press the left shift key plus 2, and now type 43 or 41 or any distance. I am writing 42. Now again press the left shift key and press the less than sign or greater than sign. You have to press the less than sign, and now type 11 from your keyboard and press enter, and now escape. So we have made an arc of 6.15 distance. Now we use the mirror command, mi for mirror command, press enter and select this line, right click, click here and click here, erase source object, no. Now zoom in, bring your cursor here and zoom in, scroll up, and you see that we have created one teeth, but this teeth is at a certain angle. However, in the figure the teeth are straight. So to make straight teeth we will use the offset command. So type offset from your keyboard and press enter. Click on through, select this line and move your line to this point, towards the point of intersection. Click here, again click on this line and click here. Now we have to perform the trimming operations. For trimming operations, type TI from your keyboard, double press enter, select here, click here and here. Also trim this part because we don't need to have this. We already have made one teeth. Now we have to remove or erase these three lines. Click on these three lines and press the delete key from your keyboard. Now again perform the trimming operation, TR. Double press enter and select this part. Zoom out by scrolling down. Press escape to cancel the command. You see that we have already made one teeth, and now we have to make multiple teeth in this profile. So we will use the array command. For array command, type AR from your keyboard and press enter. Now select this teeth, right click on your mouse and select polar. The AutoCAD is asking specify the center point of array. Click on the center point and here write the items is 8 because we have 8 teeth. You see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So type 8 here and press enter and then escape. The next step is to trim these lines. So type TR from your keyboard, double press enter and perform the trimming operation. Press escape. Now use the hand tool to move your drawing page. Here you see that there is a hand tool, click on it, click here and move towards the center. Press escape. You can also use your scroll wheel for hand tool. Press the scroll wheel, you will get the hand tool. So now we have to create this profile. To make this profile, you have to make a circle that is of diameter 126. This symbol is basically the symbol of our diameter. So click on circle, select dia, click on center, specify the diameter that is 126 and press enter. Now we will make a 5-side polygon because when you join the center point of these small circles we will get a 5-sided polygon. So click here on this arrow and click polygon. The AutoCAD is asking enter the number of sides. We have to type 5 here and press enter. Then the center point of polygon will be the center point of this circle. Click here, click on inscribed in circle and press F8 to activate the ortho mode. As you press F8 you see that the ortho mode is now activated. So move your cursor at this point and determine the radius, that is 63, because our circle is of diameter 126 and the radius will be 63. You see that now the center points are determined. We have to create small circles of radius 10 and an outer circle of radius 16. So you click on this arrow, select center radius, click here on this point and type 10 from your keyboard. Again click here and type 16 from your keyboard. The next step is to make multiple copies of these two circles. So type CP from your keyboard and press enter. Select the objects, click here, select these two circles and right click on your mouse. Specify the base point. The base point, select the base point as the center point because we have to join this center point with this point. So press F8 to deactivate the ortho mode and bring your drawing to this point. Click here, here, here and here. Now press escape. The next step is to draw a circle that is tangent to these two circles. This circle is of radius 50. So we have to select a tangent radius circle. Click here, here and then specify the radius, that is 50. Again click here. I will come back when I will perform all these operations. So only the one circle is left. We have to move our page towards upward by using a scroll wheel. Click here, here, here and radius 50. Now our drawing is already completed. First we have to zoom out like this and then type TR from our keyboard and double press enter. Select these two circles, these two and this. Zoom in by scrolling up, press escape, select this polygon and press delete button from your keyboard. Or type erase. Now you also have to trim this circle. For doing this you have to type TR command and double press enter. Click here for trimming. Now trim these. I am using scroll wheel for zoom in and zoom out. The next step is to dimension your drawing. For dimension, click on zero layer. This is standard layer. Sorry, we forgot to make layer of drawing. So select this whole drawing and click here and select drawing layer. This layer is important and we will tell you the use of this layer when we make 3D models. Press escape. Now select the standard one, that is 0. Click here, radius, space to repeat the command. Click here, radius. For diameter, click here, select dia. Click here. Again click here. And to measure this arc length, click on the arrow and select arc length. Click here. You see that the arc length is 12.3. And now we have to dimension this circle also. Click on dia. Select this 126 diameter. Now we have to dimension this arc also, that is tangent to these two circles. Select radius, click here and click here. The final step is to write reference plate in your drawing, that is to write text. For text writing, type empty and press enter. Click here and click here. Now select font size. I am writing 6 and press enter. Now type reference plate. click here. To move this reference plate towards the center, click here. Now click on this box and use your mouse for drag and click here. Now the final step is to save your drawing. To save your drawing, click on Save As and type reference and click on Save. You see that the file is now ready. Hope you like the video. Share this video, also subscribe my channel. Thank you.